Hey Bella, you got another Amazon package.
Thanks, Chad. Yes. I gotta find Chad. Chad! You're gonna wanna see this.
Whoa, that's awesome.
Yeah, can you help me put it on my bike?
You bet. Where are we gonna put this on your bike, Bella?
I don't know. It's definitely not gonna fit on my forks, so we'll figure it out.
What even made you decide to get this thing?
Do you remember that one video that KJ did? The Turbo Spoke video?
Let's see if it really sounds like a motorcycle.
So you got some good ideas with this.
Yeah, I'm scrolling on Amazon late at night.
Amazon shopping at its finest. Oh yeah, that's good. I think we should try it out. Well, I don't know. You and your crazy ideas.
Listen to this.
Oh, yeah, that was a great idea. All right, Bella, let's see how fast that thing made you.
Jack, watch this.
Go, Bella, go! That's awesome, yeah! Bella, you're a factory supercross racer and you're buying Amazon parts like that?
Yeah, I stole Bill's credit card. Just wait till you see what I bought yesterday.
Best decision ever.